And then the last point is, he says, if our struggle reaches the end and we become successful in sending out the army of Satan from our soul, and then the angels would settle and it becomes a place of worship, then after solving these problems with traits of character, wayfaring, journeying becomes easy towards Allah, journeying towards Allah becomes easy, and the right path will become very clear. And the gates of barakat, the blessings and Jannat gardens will be open to you. And the gates of hell would be closed. And Allah would look at you with rahmah. And you would enter into the circle of mu'mineen. And you would become a person, one of the people of happiness and one of the ashabul yamin. And a path to divine knowledge and ma'arif ilahiyah, which, look at this beautiful sentence, which is the end for creation of human beings and jinns, will be open to you. Because what is the end for our creation? One of the ends of our creation, Allah says, مَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. I have not created neither jinns nor human beings except to worship me, serve me. Imam Sadiq says, أَيْ لِيَعْرِفُونَ. Ma'rifah is one of the top ends. So if you manage to remove these bad traits of character, a path towards this ma'arif, these beautiful types of knowledge will be open to you, which is the end of creation of human beings and jinns. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would be helping you in this journey.